Hey guys, ShivHax here. We finally got ourselves the Dji OM5 smartphone stabilizer, which means it has some nifty features such as spin shot, active track 4.0, new foldable design, and the main built-in extension rod, which I really like because in some crowded places where you can't get a perfect shot, well, just extend it and boom, you got a new shot, which is really amazing. And now let's unbox this. So right out of the box, we got this amazing tripod. It opens up and it's very much really good. It's DJI logo. Then we got a Type-C cable. This is really nifty because these days most of our products are Type-C. Then we got a strap. This is really good, and it is also adjustable to your size so that you can tighten it so that the Osmo doesn't fall off. Then you got this nice DJI pouch with a drawstring, so you put all of your accessory and even your gimbal and take it with you. It has a nice soft padding, which I really like. Then we have this magnetic clasp that which we pull off and put it in our phone. It's really good. It also has this extra cushion, which for thinner phones you can use this as an extra padding on the magnetic clasp. Then we got some instruction manual and warranty about the OM5 quick start guide. And here we got the DJI OM5, and it has a nice sleek compact design unlike the other previous versions, and I really like this one. And the main thing is that you can extend this, and wow, you can see it's very nice. And the gimbal functions also work well while holding with the rod extended. Well, isn't this pretty good? Wow. So the Osmo Mobile 5 has a really good design. Unlike the Osmo Mobile 4, well, you can see the difference. I mean, look, this is very bulky, but this is very thin. Like, these are both are folded up back to back, but still, this is a lot more bulky. And I will be doing a video on the comparison between these two, so be sure to check it out on my channel. I will be posting that in a couple of days. And by the looks of it, it's very nice. Like, it has some new design. So the buttons have been changed a little bit, like the record button up here, and then the change in landscape or portrait of your camera button right here, and then your joystick. It's not much like a joystick, it's like a button, like, because you're just pushing on it to change the direction, unlike the previous versions where you actually literally had a joystick. And then the power button has changed to the side right here, and this is the zoom and zoom out slider. And over here you have the Type-C charging, and then you have the trigger on the back side right here, just like the previous generations. And this is really good. Now on here they have added some chrome accent, like the ring right here, and then the ring up here, and also on the hinge too. So like, it has the chrome accent steel finish, which is really cool and really awesome. I really enjoy the fact that DJI has put a lot of effort into their Osmo Mobile and their previous generations as well. I mean, they were okay because they were a lot bulky, but this with the extension rod in there is really nice. So another new feature on this, which previous generations did not have, is that when they changed in portrait to landscape, like this, they double press. But on this, if you just take your hand and then move it, you can actually move it in portrait or landscape without it jittering or stuff. Like, it's normal. So this was all about the Dji OM5, and I'll be having some great time with this new stabilizer because it has the main feature of the extension rod, and I shoot a lot of videos on a smartphone stabilizer, indoor or outdoor, and I really enjoy it. And with this, I'm going to have a lot more fun. And the product link for this will be in the description box as always. And make sure to like and also share this video and also subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 400 subscribers, and also comment down below some of your questions or ideas about more videos with this, and hope you have a great rest of your time, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya! Enjoy!